Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about Skipcart almost cost me big time. So I did a pretty substantial Skipcart order recently, and it was paying out real big bucks, to say the least. And thankfully, I was able to complete it anyway, but I had to go through some serious hoops to get it done. And as somebody who knows that things like this can be a little frequent, I wanted to make sure other people had the tools and resources they need. So with that said, we are going to talk about everything that happened during this Skipcart order, how I was able to fix it and get the order done anyway, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. The content of this video does not contain, is never intended to be, legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be clear that everything that we're going to be going over is very market dependent, and what applies to me in my market may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. So the order was a pretty big order with Ezcater with a whopping $119 payout. That is crazy. And it was a hike from my home, to say the least, but it was near an office that I do some business with. So I went over in the meantime to check up on some stuff. As the pickup time approached, I went over there to pick up the order. I confirmed that I was on my way, but for some reason, the app itself wouldn't stop loading. I was driving, so I was a little panicky, like, hey, why isn't this working? Usually it kind of goes quick. Why isn't this working? And I refreshed the app, because usually that fixes a lot of things, only to find that the order disappeared. There was nothing there. I tried to contact support via the app, and again, nothing was loading. Like, my old messages were there, but there was nothing else. I feel like I do so few orders on Skipcart these days, but when I do, there's always a problem with the app. Either way, I looked to see if someone mentioned a Skipcart phone number anywhere, but no, there really wasn't. So I contacted Ezcater, hoping they would help me fix the issue, and they contacted Skipcart for me. By the way, why can't we call Skipcart? Why are they gatekeeping basic support teams? What's the point of that? Regardless, support called me and removed me from the order and sent it back to me. So that way I was able to get the order done and make money. After that, I was told to uninstall and reinstall the app, and that actually fixed a lot of things as well. Either way, I saved both of those numbers with Ezcater and Skipcart just in case. I don't know if this is a viable number, but it could be, because that was literally saying, this is Skipcart support, please hold. Anyway, that's really all I got for this one. I'm kind of feeling under the weather. I don't know if you can tell by my voice. Feeling a little sick today, so I wanted to keep it nice and short. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.